Hey, what's up guys? And I thought it'd be cool to come. It's actually Saturday and I try not to work on Saturdays. However, my client called me, said that he was spray foaming the building today. The guys were here, so I knew I had to stop by and show you guys what that's all about.
Make sure your food arrives on time. For your next meeting, go to EasyCare.com or download the app. EasyCare. Business catering.
So you can see the guy behind me there, and he's doing the spray foam. We're doing a 3-inch closed cell foam, so that's going to give us our vapor barrier. It's also going to give us about an R21 value, and it's going to seal everything up super nice. Now the other added benefit to the spray foam with a post frame is that it is very structural. So once this thing cures, it's going to be rock solid, and it's going to really resist a lot of those wind loading. So it's great benefit to a post frame structure from a structural side. Now I will always say that spray foam is the better option from when it comes to a spray foam R value per inch, and for all those things considered, there's a lot of added benefit, like no need for a vapor barrier when using closed cell. Typically we do the fiberglass bat insulation, which I think is an awesome way to insulate a post frame due to the cost, the efficiency, and all things considered. When you house wrap a building like we do the vapor barrier in our zone, our climate zone, it becomes a really efficient building and a cheap way to get that really efficient building. However, this client opted for spray foam, and this is our first post frame that we've done where it has been 100% spray foam on the wall. So I'm excited to see how it turns out and how the customer in the future, goes about heating this building and how it all works out. You can see right here, this is all 2-inch foam, rigid foam, and that's going to be placed on the floor and around the perimeter of the walls, and that's going to add another insulation factor so that when the customer does his heated floor, man, this thing is going to be super efficient. And we're also up here in the ceiling, we're going to be doing an R38 fiberglass, so you guys make sure you stick around for that. Because I think this interior is going to turn out really awesome. Guys are doing a really good job. I'm not going to hang around in here too long just because it's probably not the safe thing to do. It is very well ventilated, but that doesn't matter. So I just wanted to take you guys by here real quick to show you, and we'll get back into the regular scheduled programming as far as what we do. But I know a lot of you wanted to see this process.